Hi guys, in this video I will tell you tips that you can't find in the internet. For example, here I have a particle system that uses custom data, but when I disable this custom data, custom vertex stream, the particle effect changes because it uses particle like red and green values that replaced by gradients when you disable your custom data. So you can fix it inside your shader. If you have input like this, UV0, UV1, no matter, you can fix it by adding this comparison like equal UV if UV0 equals UV1, and if equals, you set your values from custom vertex stream. It's work like when you enable it equals because you set it equal. But if you disable it, the values are not equal. So we comparing this, and I will say this shader, and no matter if you use custom data or no, your particle system will remain the same, and you also can use your custom data. So just simple comparison. The next tip, it's always better to use alpha clipping, because when you use it, your transparent space amount for particle system will decrease, and it will be more optimized. For example, this billboard particle use keyword, and this space is empty. And when you don't use alpha clipping, this space will be transparent, but with alpha clipping you will use only this shape, and it's very simple to do. Just add alpha clipping value 0.01 in your shader. Also, I wanted to talk about all-in-one shaders like this one, or for example some developers used like one shaders for all in their effects. For example, like this asset, one shader for all materials, one shader for all models. In some cases, such shader can be a good decision, but when you have hard effects like this parallax occlusion mapping or another hard functions, you don't need all this to be in one shader, because if you don't use this effect in your shader, it's like an option. It will always be in your shader, and it's additional load on your game, so your FPS will be smaller. But if it can be a good decision if your shader doesn't have any hard components like parallax occlusion mapping and something like that. First, I wanted to make all these shaders all in one, but some shaders use things like this, and after testing I realized that it's better to use separate shaders for different needs. Okay, that's all that I wanted to say in this video, and if you need more videos like this, just put your like and maybe write a comment.